Yes, seventh class. Good morning, students. Long type question. Discuss the importance of any two important and famous town of this period. इसमें दो important famous टेम्पल्स के बारे में टेम्पल टाउन्स के बारे में पूछा है। हम किसी एक के बारे में लिखेंगे क्योंकि बहुत काफ़ी लॉन्ग हो जाएगा। इसका आंसर है हम हम्पी। हम्पी इज हम्पी इज सिचुएटेड on the bank of river Tungabhadra in Karnataka. It was the capital of the mighty Vijayanagar Empire. It was it was chosen as the capital because of its strategic location. Hampi had Hampi had Tungabhadra river on one Tungabhadra river on one side and was surrounded by cliffs. On the other on the other three side, Hampi was important center of cotton and species trade. In 15th and 16th centuries, European merchants used to buy these goods from the rich market of Hampi. Hampi also traded with Persia, Arabia, Burma, Arabia, Burma, China, and number numerous island and India ocean trade from far away lands visited Hampi from time to time to buy and sell goods. Hampi was well fortified city. It also had many beautiful temples. The rulers used the money from trade to build temple. After the battle of Talikota, Hampi fell. City is it also had many beautiful temples. The rulers used the money from the trade to build temple after the battle of Talikota. Hampi fell into decline. Trade continued, but the town lost its importance. इसके बाद आते हैं डिफरेंटिएट बिटवीन फॉलोइंग टर्म्स में फर्स्ट है काला मकारी एंड जारी वर्क। जिसमें फर्स्ट में आएगा Kalamakari is type of hand painted or black painted cotton textile produced in is fan printing is much easier task than traditional kalmakari work. This thread is woven into fabrics primarily of silk to make inter- intricate patterns and elaborate designs of embroidery embroidery called jari. Next ahead, Panchal and Kakulars. Panchal community consisting of goldsmith, bronzesmith, blacksmith, masons and carpenters played an important role in the constructions. Kakolars is in Indian caste. Their traditional occupation was that of weaving and they are mostly in the region of northern Kerala. Next, a craft town and pilgrimage center. Craft towns were the towns that were founded by craftsmen. They settled at a place and parties practiced their occupation for a long time. Their settled places. Other important temple town in included Kanchipuram and Mudurai. Mudurai in Tamil Nadu and Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. Finish.